What is up, YouTube? How are you all doing? I am doing good as always. What do I got for you all today? A try not to laugh challenge, Cats Edition. So, without further ado, let's get it started. In three, two, one, go!
You know, like,
Oh man. Oh, that cat smells something bad. Oh, that's cute. Oh, my cats never didn't do that. That's so cute. Oh.
Poke one cat and the other goes into panic defense mode. What a hilarious paranoid reaction.
This I didn't do that. Oh, popping. Uh-oh. Oh, playing with the hair. So cute. Oh, wrong cat. It's the wrong cat. Ah, poor cat.
Mikey, what are you doing?
Caught
Nothing?
red-handed, but still
I don't
trying
think
to
it's
act
nothing.
innocent.
I
Uh-oh.
think you're
anything,
trying
Mom.
to get into the cat drawer.
Oh, that sneaky cat. Oh, the cat workout. Cat workout. Gotta get into those workouts. Oh, that nasty. Ooh.
I got one
Oh,
job.
God damn it.
Try whisper.
Sorry, there's an ad. I'll be back. The ad's over. Let's continue. Oh, chubby fish.
7.3 kilograms is nothing. It's just fluff. Now it's time for a well-deserved
Oh,
exhausting
that lazy
rest.
cat. That fucking lazy cat. Oh, dog scared the cat. Dog scared the cat. Ooh, smart cat. Oh no, that one's very smart.
Hiding so well that no debt collector can find him. That terrified
It's
highway sprinkler
invisible!
is simply priceless.
Oh, watching the lion cubs. That's cute. Nope. My cats. I don't think my cats ever did that. Cleo got shaved, and my other
Who
cats
on
are
earth are you?
horrified.
Give me back my fluffy friend right now. Total fashion disaster shock.
He's like, that's not my friend. When you can't help but live for the chaos. Oh, that's interesting. His mother was busy. When you were in a trio and two.
The absolute pain of being the third wheel. Watching them cuddle is just heartbreaking.
What is that cat giving that face for? Look at all that little bastard. Oh, it's like, I hate oranges. Oh, it's hot. Oh, yeah, they. Someone's gone into the powder.
When you are in the middle of your skincare routine and the human starts filming.
When he realizes there's a dog now. Oh no, not a dog. Oh no, not the dog. Oh, was that dump? Ugh. Yeah. Oh, nasty. Nasty, nasty.
Don't like me. I'll just lounge right here to annoy you even more. Deal with it.
What the? Oh, that's funny. That's so funny. Cat's getting a beef with a dog. Apparently, my cat prefers my husband
Ultimate
over
human
me
brain
because he
power.
has a
The
beard.
secret cheat code to win the cat's heart has finally been unlocked.
Cheat code unlock. Mhm. Oh. We've all been there. Your cat used
The
to be a
fierce
stray
vibe
and
of a
doesn't
former
take
stray
your
street
BS.
cat. One sharp stare is enough to make the big dog back down.
Oh wow, look at that tail. Oh, those tails. That's so interesting. Typical day of our Roomba chasing a fight with our cat. Oh, you smell nasty.
If these funny cat moments brought a smile to your face, please hit like and share your thoughts. Which clip was your absolute favorite?
Oh, that cat needs to lose
Let me
weight.
know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.
Oh. Shh. That's yourself, dummy. Oh no. Not smart, not smart. Oh no, you gotta fall, you gotta fall. You gotta fall. And you fall.
Do you owe more than 10,000?
Sorry, another ad. Back again. Let's continue.
Camouflage magic is real. He went under gray and came out completely orange.
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.
Oh. The cat do this little
Performing a
ritual before they
spiritual
about to
ritual
fight.
Before entering a fight. Such polite and educated street fighters.
Why does it always do that? It's gonna bounce. Oh, the cat just passed out.
Digital age hunting instinct. Lounging under a cozy blanket and catching virtual mice the laziest way possible.
Fuck. Oh, Winky Winky. Oh, is that a rat? That's a big animal. Am I supposed to kill that thing? Oh, that's a fat cat. Oh.
The
Diabetes.
tragic struggle of overweight pets. Simply wanting to scratch an ear, but the belly fat says no.
No, it's a T-Rex. Oh, that's a T-Rex pose. Oh no, it's doing those noises. He's like, oh, what is that? That's a cat. Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh, cleaning up the mess. Oh, okay.
The Wheelbarrow Game Special Cat Edition. The most unique and affectionate leg massage in the universe.
Oh no, it's on a scratching post.
Bitch, get the back. Don't touch me,
Mhm.
bitch.
Oh, that one's fat too. Stirring
The epic
contest.
showdown of the Cat Clan's Qigong Masters. Fighting with invisible inner power is next level.
Oh, is that? No. How protective is he over his food? Yes. Like, no, my food.
That's all for today. Does your cat often play
thank
funny
God.
pranks or give you judgmental stares like the ones in this?
That's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. What was your favorite part of the video? And tell me, do you have cats or dogs? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, peace out and may God be with you.